Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can power off the iPhone 17 Pro. And for that you have two ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the control center. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol so that you're here at the control center. And the part of the control center is here on top, the symbol to power off the phone. Pretty important is to tap once first for short here on the power symbol. And then after just long press it. And then you're here at the power off menu if you leave your finger. So just slide it into the right and the phone will turn off. There's a second way to power off the phone. And for that you will need the buttons for. So just the side button and the volume down button. So long press these both buttons together and then you're here at the power off menu. So just slide it into the right and the phone will turn off. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.